Is allowing your kids to get fat a bad parenting? Hello guys, today we're going to talk about a very sensitive topic called fat kids. In my opinion, allowing your kids to get fat is a bad parenting. Many parents with fat kids will definitely hate me for this, but I am not here to fat shame your kids. I'm here to state my opinion why it is a bad parenting. Before you start hating me, let me explain why. First of all, kids 12 years and below are mostly dependent to us for their food. And what we feed them is our choice as a parents. Our kids has no job, so they don't have money to buy their own food. Unless your kids is a YouTube, celebrities, or a genius in businesses, then yeah, they have their own earnings, but we're talking about the majority of kids here. And besides, even if they earn their own money, they are minor and yes, still needs your consent in how to spend their money. Anyway, my point here is that you're an adult with good sense of judgment, so use that power and make healthy food for your kids. Second, it is clearly our responsibility as a parent to train our kids to eat healthy and avoid sugary foods. Please watch my old videos about how bad is sugar to your kids' health. So, if you're lazy to cook healthy food, your next choice is to feed them with junk food that has high sugar content or supermarket ready-made food that is loaded with sugar. I understand we're human and we get tired and cooking healthy food can be taxing. But if our kids were trained to eat fruits instead of chips for snacks, this will become a habit and that good habit is difficult to shake it out. So train them to eat healthy and avoid sugary food that can destroy their taste bud. Third, you don't want your kids to go hungry, so you keep junk food in the cupboard. Nobody dies not eating snacks if you feed your kids 3 times a day. In reality, our body doesn't need extra meal if we ate balanced, healthy diet. Lastly, maybe we're ignorant about proper nutrition and we think that giving them snacks 2 to 3 times a day is a healthy way. Or we didn't realize that proper nutrition is part of our parenting job. It's not too late to equip ourselves with nutritional information. I have a very simple idea. Google it or watch my videos and I will tell you more about parenting and nutrition. So yeah, it's bad parenting because we have the grip not to make them fat and yet we still allow it. I have a daughter and I closely watch her diet because I'm afraid that when she gets fat, kids in her school may bully her by calling her pig or fatso or body shame her. Although there are some other factors involving bullying, but if not getting fat can prevent one of the factors, then why would I risk it? Parenting is not only about discipline or regulating kids' behavior, but it involves their diet too. If you like my parenting ideas, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to get notification for my next video. If you agree or disagree, please comment down below. Until next week for my parenting tips. Thank you for watching and have a great day.